Hi kids, today we will learn about vowels. Vowels sound. Do you know the vowels? Let's learn. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. A. A is for apple. Apple. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. O. O is for orange. Orange. And the last vowel is U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Now we learn vowel sound. 2 types of sounds of vowels. Number 1, short sound. And the next is long sound. Let's learn short sound of vowel letter A. B-A-G, bag. C-A-T, cat. D-A-D, dad. F-A-N, fan. H-A-T, hat. J-A-M, jam. L-A-B, lab. M-A-T, mat. R-A-M, ran. P-A-N, pan. Now the next letter is E. E. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. T-E-N, ten. L-E-G, leg. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. W-E-B, web. N-E-T, net. W-E-T, wet. M-E-N, men. Short sound letter I. I. D-I-D, did. B-I-G, big. W-I-G, wig. P-I-N, pin. D-I-P, dip. H-I-P, hip. T-I-P, tip. N-I-P, nip. B-I-T, bit. H-I-T, hit. Short sound letter next is O. O. J-O-B, job. M-O-F-B, mop. D-O-G, dog. T-O-P, top. C-O-P, cop. T-O-P, top. H-O-T, hot. M-O-M, mom. B-O-B, bob. G-O-T, got. Now the last letter, U. U. C-U-B, cub. R-U-B, rub. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, hug. R-U-G, rug. S-U-M, sum. G-U-M, gum. G-U-N, gun. R-U-N, run. H-U-T, hut. Now we are going to learn long sound of vowel. First vowel letter is A. A. Long sound letter A. B. A. B. Y. Baby. C. A. K. E. Cake. R. A. I. N. Rain. P. L. A. Y. Play. B. A. K. E. Bake. R. A. T. E. Rate. F. A. M. E. Fame. M. A. I. D. Made. P. A. I. D. Paid. J. A. I. L. Jail. Next long sound letter is E. E. W. E. A. K. Week. M. E. E. T. Meat. P. I. E. C. E. Peace. K. E. Y. Key. S. E. E. C. R. E. A. D. Read. L. E. A. D. Lead. L. E. A. F. Leaf. C. L. E. A. N. Clean. M. E. A. L. Meal. Long sound letter I. S-I-L-E-N-T. Silent. S-H-I-N-E. Shine. F-I-N-E. Fine. W-H-I-T-E. White. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. N-I-N-E. Nine. N-I-C-E. Nice. K-I-T-E. Kite. R-I-D-E. Ride. H-I-D-E. Height. Long sound of vowel letter O. O. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. B-O-A-T. Boat. R-O-A-D. Road. S-N-O-W. Snow. L-O-A-N. Loan. G-O-A-L. Goal. R-O-A-S-T. Roast. N-O-T-E. Note. R-O-B-E. Robe. H-O-P-E. Hope. Now the last long sound of vowel letter U. M-U-S-I-C. Music. C-U-T-E. Cute. H-U-M-A-N. Human. T-U-B-E. Tube. C-U-B-E. Cube. B-L-U-E. Blue. S-O-U-P. Soup. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. R-U-D-E. Rude. D-U-T-Y. Duty. Now you can repeat with me. Let's go. A. Vowel first letter A. Vowel sound Short sound and long sound. C-A-N, can. Long sound. C-A-N-E, cane. Can, cane. Short sound. F-A-T, fat. Long sound. F-A-T-E, fate. Fat, fate. Short sound. H-A-T, hat. Long sound. H-A-T-E, hate. Hat, hate. Short sound. D-A-N, dan. Long sound. D-A-N-E, dane. Dan, dane. Short sound. C-A-P, cap. Long sound. C-A-P-E, cape. Cap, cape. Short sound. R-A-T, rat. Long sound. R-A-T-E, rate. Rat, rate. Short sound. P-A-N, pan. Long sound. P-A-N-E, pen. Pan, pen. Short sound. M-A-D, mad. Long sound. M-A-D-E, maid. Mad, maid. Short sound. M-A-N, man. Long sound. M-A-N-E, main. Man, main. Now next is E. Short sound. B-E-T, bet. Long sound. B-E-A-T, beat. Bet, beat. Short sound. S-E-T, set. Long sound. S-E-A-T, seat. Set, seat. Short sound. F-E-L-L, fell. Long sound. F-E-E-L, feel. Fell, feel. Short sound. M-E-T, met. Long sound. M-E-A-T, meet. Met, meet. Short sound. L-E-G, leg. Long sound. L-E-A-F, leaf. Leg, leaf. Short sound. H-E-R, her. Long sound. H-E-A-R, hair. Her, hair. Short sound. S-H-E-T, shet. Long sound. S-H-E-E-T, sheet. Shet, sheet. Now the next letter is I. Short sound. F-I-N, fin. Long sound. F-I-N-E, fine. Fin, fine. Short sound. F-I-R, fir. Long sound. F-I-R-E, fire. Fir, fire. Short sound. H-I-D, head. Long sound. H-I-D-E, height. Head, height. Short sound. K-I-T, kit. Long sound. K-I-T-E, kite. Kit, kite. Short sound. B-I-T, bit. Long sound. B-I-T-E, bite. Bit, bite. Short sound. H-I-C-K, hick. Long sound. H-I-K-E, hike. Hick, hike. Short sound L-I-T, lid. Long sound L-I-G-H-T, light. Lid, light. L-I-C-K, lick. Long sound L-I-K-E, like. Lick, like. Short sound R-I-D, read. Long sound R-I-D-E, write. Read, write. Short sound S-I-T, sit. Long sound S-I-T-E, sight. Sit, sight. Now the next is O. Short sound H-O-P, hop. Long sound H-O-P-E, hope. Hop, hope. Short sound C-O-D, cod. Long sound C-O-D-E, code. Cod, code. Short sound G-O-T, got. Long sound G-O-A-T, goat. Got, goat. Short sound S-O-P, sop. Long sound S-O-A-P, soap. Sop, soap. Short sound N-O-T, not. Long sound N-O-T-E, note. Not, note. Short sound R-O-P, rop. Long sound R-O-P-E, rope. Rop, rope. Short sound R-O-D, rod. Long sound R-O-D-E, road. Rod, road. Now the next last vowel sound is U. Short sound C-U-T, cut. Long sound C-U-T-E, cute. Cut, cute. Short sound R-U-S-S, Russ. Long sound R-U-S-E, Roos. Russ, roos. Short sound H-U-G, hug. Long sound H-U-G-E, huge. Hug, huge. Short sound T-U-B, tub. Long sound T-U-B-E, tube. Tub, tube. Short sound C-U-P, cup. Long sound C-U-P-I-D, cupid. Cup, cupid. Short sound S-H-U-T, shut. Long sound S-H-U-T-E, shoot. Shut, shoot. Short sound U-S, us. Long sound U-S-E, use. Us, use. Short sound C-U-B, cub. Long sound C-U-B-E, cube. Cub, cube. I hope you enjoying my videos, kids. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.